Recently, we've seen overnight temperatures drop into the 40s, while some areas of northeast Wisconsin have seen lows fall into the upper 30s. Now, some plants tend to be more sensitive to those colder temperatures, while others are actually better at handling the cold. So those are actually considered hardy plants. Now, looking at cold sensitive plants, that's going to be your petunias and marigolds. Those temperatures are going to be right around 32 degrees up to 36 degrees of what those plants can actually tolerate. However, they will suffer from a light frost, and that actually will damage the plants, and actually blooms will be damaged or killed when temperatures hit actually 32 or below for those temperatures. Now, hardier fall blooms, that's going to be like your mums. Those temperatures are going to be right around 28 degrees to a freezing point 32. They actually can survive a light frost in the area, but if temperatures actually dip below 28 degrees consistently, they will actually die. Now, looking at those tropical plants like your elephant ears, below 40 degrees, they're highly sensitive to cold temperatures. So to prevent any cold stress, make sure to move those plants actually indoors when temperatures drop below 50 degrees. Then you have all of your spices such as basil, cilantro, parsley, chive, even thyme, sage, and oregano. Now, some of those are more sensitive to frost. Basil, cilantro, and dill, right around 32 to 40 degrees is going to be that sensitivity temperature, and some other herbs are going to actually be more not so cold sensitive, between 20 to 28 degrees for mint and rosemary. Thyme, sage, and oregano also 20 to 28 degrees. Now, tips for actually protecting those plants: move them indoors or actually inside the garage. Otherwise, if you can't move them, cover the plants with a frost cloth or even a blanket or a sheet. Now, the other idea would actually be to apply a thick layer of mulch that actually insulates that root in the area to keep it warm so it retains that heat. Or you can even water the plants before the cold arrives. That actually retains the heat as well. Moist soil will lock in that heat. And another fun way would actually be to add string lights, such as Christmas lights. Wrap them around any of those plant roots. It's actually going to provide gentle heat for them. I'm meteorologist Audrey Leigh, Fox 11 News.